Hello, in this video I will show you how to do affiliate marketing using Amazon and Instagram. So it's a very easy process. Now, the first thing that you will require is an Amazon Associate account. So all you have to do is just simply search for Amazon Associate, then open the first link. Over here, all you have to do is just simply sign up with your email address and make sure to use the same email address that you have an Amazon account with. So just simply click on the sign up option and then complete all the form that's given right over here. Then click on the next option. So over here what you have to do is you have to just simply explain what type of blog or application you have where you will be promoting the Amazon links. So in this case what you have to do is you have to paste your Instagram profile link right over here. So open your Instagram profile, copy this and paste it right over here, then click on add. Once done, click on the next option. And right over here, you have to just simply add a name that you want to add to your store, meaning when people will click on your links, they will be able to see the name on your store. Just simply enter that name right over here. After that, just simply explain a little bit about your Instagram page right over here in this section. After that, just simply scroll down and then just simply choose what type of application or blog you have chosen. So in this case, you have to choose social media page. Then right over here in this section, just simply choose any one of the option. After that, just simply complete the captcha by entering it right over here. After that, click on this option right over here and then click on finish. After that is done, you will find your unique association ID right over here. Now, if you also have any type of tax related things, you have to also submit them right over here by choosing now option, or you can just simply click on later if you want to do it later. Now, once the Amazon Associate account is ready, go back to Amazon application, then refresh the page. Once you will do that, you should be able to see Amazon Associate stripe right over here at the top. And for some reason, if you're unable to see that, go back to your Amazon Associate page, click on your profile right over here, go to account setting. Then just simply click on Associate Site Stripe. Then enter the captcha right over here. After that, click on continue. Then you will have this option right over here. Just simply enable it. Once done, you will find the successful tag right over here. After that, go back to Amazon and refresh the page again. And this time you should see the column. Now, once you have this column, the next thing what you have to do is you have to just simply pick a niche which you are going to promote in your Instagram. Like for example, as you can see right over here, these are all niches and they are all selling different type of things. So what you have to do is, you have to just simply create a simple account and then start promoting items. You can get the videos from any other platform and then repost them. And in the bio, all you have to do is you have to paste your very own link that I'm going to show you exactly how to get. So this is the type of link that you have to paste. And then when people will click on your links, they will be redirected to Amazon, and over there when they will make the purchase, you will get a commission. Now, to get a link, now let's say for example you choose a niche of phones. So for example, this one right over here. Now to promote this particular phone as affiliate product, all you have to do is go to the get link section right over here, click on this text option or click on this arrow option right over here. Once you will click on the text option, you will find this new pop-up right over here. Over there, you will have the option to copy this link. Now you can copy a full link or short link. So what you should do is just simply copy the short link. Once you will get the short link, all you have to do is just simply create your post and paste your link inside the bio of your Instagram account or inside the comment section of your Instagram account, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.